Want to make a statement piece in your living room? Today we are going to show you how to frame a fireplace surround and install a electric fireplace. Hi, I'm Bailey with DIY on the House, and today my husband and I get to install an electric fireplace into our living room. And so the fireplace that we went for is one off of Amazon. It is 50 inches wide by 17 inches tall. And the reason I went with that one is because I found a good Black Friday deal on it, and it included both the crystal and the log insert. We're gonna go for the log, and most of the ones that I found online only included the crystal and you had to purchase the log separately. So it was a win that this one included both of them. As you can see behind me, we have taped out rough measurements of what we're going for our surround. We are going to do it 5 foot wide by 4 foot tall by 1 foot deep. And the reason we're doing that is because because of the size of our living room, but also because we are going to go with a 4x8 sheet of Shiplap, and that's what we're going to surface our surround with. And by doing that, if we make all of the correct cuts, we only have to purchase one sheet, which is going to be a good win for expenses. Then from there, we will be able to cut out a rectangle within the sheet and insert our fireplace that way. Okay, let's get to it. I'm going to hand this off to my husband Nicholas and my dad because they're going to start framing out the surround, and that's definitely their expertise, not mine.